And as you can see, I have the Odyssey Nightwolf seat. I'll start at my back rear, I guess. I have the Shadow Rota laced to the Sputnik Rewind hub. And a new thing I've been doing is I've been riding one brake cap because Fit sent me only one brake cap, and I started a new trend really, and like all the new pro riders like Garrett Reynolds and Sean Rafferty and Aaron Ross all ride one brake cap now, so I've been doing that for a while. And my chain, I have the KMC 410 chain, and this rocket I ride is the Superstar Pimp disc with the bash guard built in. My cranks are Primo Holobites with blue plastic pedals, Odyssey plastic pedals. My seat post clamp is integrated with a steel bolt. I ride the Shadow Conspiracy Umbro seat post with the Odyssey Nightwolf seat. I ride Animal bar ends, starting with my front end. They're black. They're probably like the best part of the bike. They definitely help me a lot. You should definitely pick up a pair of metal bar ends. The grips I ride are Odie long necks. They're really good. They last like forever. I've had them for about like 30 minutes and I love them. They're really comfortable. I got the Shadow Conspiracy big bars, and the stem I ride is the Demolition F1. And for my forks, I ride the Shadow Conspiracy 035 Creeper lights. And for my front wheel, I got a Shadow Conspiracy stun laced to a Shadow Raptor, which is the new hub they make. And what else? My tires, they're Demolition Monacos, and they're rubber. They're not Kevlar though, so they're not like bulletproof or anything. And the frame is a Fit Hawk. It's pretty sweet for 200 bucks. I definitely recommend getting it. It's pretty light. It rides pretty fast. I have a Kink headset, and did I mention I ride one brake cap? That's how Fit gives you your brake caps now, because they only make like 1 million brake caps a year now, so they only give you one. They gotta ration them. Yeah, that's my bike.